Good morning and welcome back to my channel, Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I am Moses. First of all, I want to apologize for doing the voiceover throughout the editing process. I noticed that I had no volume, so I'm going to try to do my best with this. So yesterday I did a thing. I ordered some mulch and some topsoil and some seed starting mix online from the local Wally Mart and went to pick it up. Since I don't have anywhere inside the home yet to video, I'm going to use this as my backdrop. We're going to start some flowers from seed for my wife, and I'm going to show you what they are in a moment. And we're also going to start, those are zinnias. Those are marigolds, Hawaiian marigold. Those next coming up are cosmopolitans. I'm sorry, cosmos and snapdragons. And for me, I'm going to do some collards. The Al Duce 2 pepper and another type of pepper. I forgot what I'm holding. So I'll show you the steps that I'm going to do. The blue tray is half full with seed started mix. I wet, slightly dampen the soil, and then put it in. The tray itself is from Bootstrap Farmer. Really haven't had too much success with this type of tray, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed, and hopefully we will do well. So here I'm writing labels for some of the seeds that have dropped. Um, Again, this is a half a tray of seeds that I'm currently dropping. You'll see later on a full tray of vegetables that I started on the 26th. And ironically, that video, the audio on that one was bad too. I decided not to go ahead and do a voiceover because there was it was a 30-minute long video, so it's way too long to try to do a voiceover. Here, we're dropping, like I said, dropping seeds, and I can't really tell you which ones I'm currently dropping, but overall, I was able to successfully put in all the seeds. Later on, you'll see that I covered them with a light dusting of the flour of the seed starting mix, and then gave them a mist before I put them in the grow tent. So we're inside and we're looking at the grow tent. The green tray on the left has all the vegetables, and the blue tray on the right has the flowers that were just planted, along with two types of peppers and some collard greens. I planted, I wanted, if I remember correctly, 10 cells of collard greens, the Georgia Southern, and hopefully I can grow more than in the past. What I would have just 2 or 3 plants. I want to try to have lots and lots of plants and vegetables since I currently have the space to do so. So, as I said, I gave them a light dusting to cover the seeds, and then mist them with water. They're inside the grow tent. The tent is set for 75 degrees, and the light is on medium. It's on automatic. Comes on 7 o'clock in the morning. Goes off 7 o'clock in the evening, and it's set at 30% strength. Once the seeds start popping through, and I actually have leaves, I'll go ahead and increase the strength of the light. So until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Take care.